In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Upwork app. So if you want to get the latest features that comes with Upwork, you need to go ahead and update this app to the latest version. By updating your app, you'll also be able to fix any issues or errors that are associated with Upwork. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, for you to update Upwork, you need to go ahead and look for any update for this app through Google Play Store or App Store. For my case, I'm on Android and therefore I'll go to Play Store here. For you to search, you need to go ahead and log in first with your Gmail account. If you can see this search bar, you should see a search icon down below. Go ahead and tap on it to activate search. Then just search for Upwork like that. And if I tap on search, you can see we have our app here. If I tap on it, currently, there is an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of Upwork. To get the latest version, tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Upwork and then install it on your smartphone. Now, once this app has been installed, you can proceed and tap on open to start using the latest version of Upwork. So that's how you can update Upwork to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.